Lagos, Nigeria, what people out now day. Your number one chook mouth station was Zobia FM. We don't enter streets as we celebrate Independence Day today. We want to know how well you know your country onto this level. I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Non-Stop, aka Papi Spending. Lagos, make we go. Boom. Alright, Lagos, Nigeria, what people are get here with me onto the celebration of independence. My guy, what's up? What's your name?
I'm fine. My name is Siviani now, like Siviani song.
Alright. You sabi national anthem, right?
National anthem. I sabi and I'm at day school.
Alright. So what I go do, I can help you sing like first two lines and you complete them. You get ready?
Hey, I did.
Alright.
I go try, Sha.
Alright. Arise, O compatriots, Nigeria's call obey.
To serve our fatherland with call and...
Oh, hell no!
I swear, I don't forget to...
What am I trying to say?
Try. With what? With call and...
With call and... I swear, I don't forget.
Okay. Get out. O God of creation, direct our noble cause.
Is it funny? No, it's not funny.
Bro, should they run?
No, it's not funny.
You sabi the second stanza of the national anthem?
Yes.
Oh yeah, now sing them.
Arise, O compatriots.
Why are you running?
You fit sing the second stanza of the national anthem.
Shineke. Second stanza. Arise, O compatriots.
Second stanza.
Second one. Papa, not just go that way because my head don't even go there.
You're a fool.
You sabi the national anthem, Abi?
I can still try now.
Okay, we'll go with the second stanza. O God of creation, direct our noble cause. Complete them.
Listen to the way I will kill you now.
O God of creations, direct our noble cause, guide thou our aid. That's right. Arise, O compatriot.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Nigeria's call obey.
That's right.
To serve our father's right with love and strength and truth. The nation be
Shut up.
to serve with right and mind. One nation, peace and unity.
Stop it. Get some help.
O God of creation, direct our noble cause. Finish them.
Okay. O Lord of creation,
Direct our noble cause.
guide our leaders right. Help our youth and truth to know. With love and honesty to grow and live in just and true. With love, I attain.
You try. The second stanza of the national anthem. O God of creation, direct our noble cause. If you complete them.
No. I pledge to Nigeria, my country. To be faithfully and honest. To serve Nigeria with all my strength.
Not be juju be
To serve our
that.
unity and upon and our grace. So help me God. Amen.
Hold it.
You see how the mothers just graduate? They go up. You see?